Hej alle sammen, og YouTube selvfølgelig. I dag der vil vi lave en challenge, en Try Not To Laugh challenge. Det er mig, Emil, mod Frederik.
Mig.
Ja, og mig her, du ser bare lige mine fingre. Okay, ja, det er sådan set det vi vil. Kan du sætte den i gang?
Ja. Yeah.
Og vise selv til, når vi griner, okay?
Ja. 1-0 til Frederik her.
Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day.
Smoke weed every day.
If you're playing to win, here's a brand new soap for you. Nope, I was wrong. This is a commercial for fruit. Nope, I was right. It's a really weird commercial for soap.
What?
Det var virkelig den værste reklame.
Du ring?
Ej, det gjorde jeg ikke. Jo.
Okay, 1-0 til mig, Frederik.
Det er virkelig dumt.
How many licks does it take to get satisfied?
Okay, så 1-0 til Frederik.
Just hoping on your quick reply.
Hvis I vidste det.
Don't hear from you in a couple days to get on myself.
Yeah.
Researching the internet.
Max has been a very bad boy, and unfortunately, I'm gonna have
Smoke some weed.
tap.
You know what, motherfucker?
You make me fucking sick.
Do you think you've been punished enough? No, you need a bit more. I'll tell the camera you need a bit more. A teeny weeny bit more. I may need to show this in court, you see. Ready? So I'll make it a big one. Ready? I'll make sure I've got a ring on as well. Here we go. Ready? How was that, Max?
I think a few more.
A few more.
There's many more.
5 more. Okay, ready? How about quick fire ones? There we go. That seems to have punished him adequately. For
Ej,
the
det
scene.
er fake 100%.
We'll see you in the morning.
Han sagde det i hvert fald mere.
Men nu står der 2-0 eller sådan noget.
Hvad?
Hvad står der 1-0 eller 2-0?
Motherfucker ass tits, cunt cock, motherfucker shit, ass tits, motherfucker shit, come on. Bickety bop, bickety bop, bickety bop.
Okay.
You gotta watch your body, the man
Nej,
you
det
wear, and the freshness will follow you all through your day.
Du er sådan for før.
It's literally following
Hvad
you
er det?
everywhere.
Hvad sker der?
Actually be a fairly serious problem. This is not good because he's probably
sker der for ham?
What?
operating on. This is way
Han
more
går...
precious than
Ej, seriøst.
Nej, nej, nej.
Ej, det er den værste.
never leave your house again.
What?
Ja, han er helt nøgen ham der.
Morning, dear. What's for breakfast?
Mama John's Pizza Bagels. 8 cheesy pizzas on a thin, flaky crust. Now pizza's for breakfast.
Pizza's not for breakfast! Ah! Ah!
Mama John's Pizza Bagels. Now pizza's for breakfast.
You made me do this! Smoke weed every day.
Okay, jeg er skræmt efter den der reklame.
Fuck, mand.
Nå, men ja. Jeg tror, vi er færdige nu. Okay.
Muscle! 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 What? Muscle! 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 Black! Muscle!
Jamen,
What? Muscle! 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 Black! Keyboard solo!
sker der? kedeligt. Fuck, det er kedeligt. Okay, det er ikke sjovt. Nå, men ja, ja, det var sådan set det. Jeg tror, Frederik kan vande 2-1. Nej, 2-0.
Tak for i dag.
2-0.
Nej, vandt 1-0.
1-0 så. 1-0 vandt han. Okay, jamen, jeg tror senere i dag, så vil vi lave en anden til video. Men
Ja.
vi ses.
Vi ses.
Og subscribe og like.
Ja, og kommenter.